What's up everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Alright, it's been a long time since we uploaded a video for this segment. You can do it. So, okay, today we're gonna give you 4-8 choreography that you can do. This is a very cool, chill dance step that you can use in any music. Okay, let's start. Alright, let's start. So for this one, out first, so it goes like this. It's very simple. You're gonna kick 1 and 2, 3 and 4. You're gonna punch 5 and 6, 7 and 8. One more time. So 5, 6, 7 and 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Good job. We go on the second 8. So for the second 8, you're gonna kick 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Loop 5, 6, kick on 7, 8. Good job. Let's go on. Next 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Last 8. You're gonna go 1, 2, up 3, 4, shoulder 5 and 6. You're gonna throw it on 7. You're gonna go wall. Yes. Let's try one more time that one. The last 8. So it goes 7 and 1, 2, up 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Yes. Now let's try everything from the beginning. Smooth and clear. Here we go. 5, 6, 7 and 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7. Kick. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Slowly. 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 and 8. Yes. Good job. Now let's try with music. Thank you so much guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed that video. Please, if you want to watch other video of a basic dance tutorial, you just check my YouTube channel. Just go to the playlist, go straight to You Can Do It playlist. Then you can see like 6 series of this tutorial. Okay, I'll see you next time. Bye bye.